Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a problem I found on a customer's Seadoo 787 ski. Can you guess what caused the ski to die in the water? The problem was no spark, and these are the main steps I went through to find the problem. Would you believe that when I removed his mag cover, I found the pulsar trigger coil sensor broken and just dangling on the flywheel? I had heard about this issue, but hadn't encountered it until now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. I have a lot more videos to come. Take a little time to clean up the mag cover and stator that you'll be using with brake clean and compressed air. Make sure your flywheel didn't get damaged from the dangling sensor and clean the flywheel good too. This is a cleaned up cover with good stator and good pulsar sensor all ready to go back together. Alright, now we're about to wrap things up and take it for a lake test. If you didn't guess, yes, that solved the no spark problem. See you next time guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all your amazing support.